Today I am in a Goshala. Today I want to tell you about 9 remedies of our debilitated planets. If Sun is debilitated in our horoscope, we can feed Gaumata, cow, with wheat roti, that is chapati, Indian bread. Okay? If our Moon is debilitated in our planet, then we can feed water to the cow. That will help us to improve our Moon in our chart. If our Mars is debilitated, then we can feed the cows with gram and jaggery. Same, if we want to improve our Jupiter in our natal chart, then we can feed Gaumata with soaked gram and jaggery. And in case of Venus, you have to share your food with Gomata. Whatever you are eating, you have to share that with Gomata. As we know, in our culture, Gaumata is considered as one of the pillar of Dharma. It is because the cows are able to take very specific type of vibration, and they have one hump in their back, which is having Surya Ketu Nari, which helps to in their urine they can produce a lot of chemicals which is very useful. ठीक है, तो अब हम कहाँ थे? Venus तक थे. ठीक है, after Venus we can for Saturn we can feed the cows with spinach, and we can feed black gram also to the cows. And for Ketu Mahadasha, and during Ketu Mahadasha, and to improve our Ketu planet, we can feed sesame seeds with flour to the cow, wheat flour to the cow. And for Rahu, we can to improve our Rahu, we can feed black cow, and we can do pradakshina 7 times of the black cow to improve our natal Rahu in the chart. And I will like to tell 2 more important things regarding Gaumata and Jyotish. When we do Go Parikrama, all our planets are taken care of. All the charts, all the debilitation in the planets are taken care of. So it is advisable, especially in Hindu Sanatan Dharma, that we should take 7 times Parikrama of pregnant cow, and we should go down to her, and we will take the blessing of the cows. Apart from that, I will tell you one very important totka, that cow's urine, okay, it is having 700 types of chemicals. It is researched and we have found out, like it has urea, it has ammonia, it has nitrogen, even it has vitamin A, B, C, D, K, it has potassium, it has so many things. So as per astrology, agar hum if we are going through some nazar dosh or some negative energy, if we feel it is there in us, then I will suggest 40 days you should take bath with the Gomutra, or you should consume Gomutra, and even you can clean your house with Gomutra, which will be helping you a lot. And apart from that, there is one story that the ancestor of Rama, Maharaj Dilip, he was without any child. He was a childless king. Even though he was very powerful, very parakrami king, but he was not having any child. So he did Gaumata, Gau Seva. Kamdhenu's daughter was there in Rishi Vashishta's ashram. Her name was Nandini. When he and his wife did Seva of that Nandini Gaumata, they got the blessing of a beautiful parakrami child whose name was Raghu, from which the Raghuvansh came out. It is the story of ancestors of Rama who had done the Gau Puja and Gau Seva, through which they got so much immense blessing. And that's how, some childless couple can also do Gau Seva.